Anger, getting in touch with what hurts your feelings, what you want that you can't have, what you're afraid of that you don't have control over, and that you care so much that you get angry. So if you've got anger issues with a child, it's not just about anger management. It's about management, which is recognize and take my squishy ball, get my stuffy, do some chair push-ups, fold my hands and do this, take my box breathing, my figure 8 breathing, whatever it might be, tighten my muscles, loosen my muscles. That's management. Intervention is identifying with, what am I hurting about? What do I want that I can't have? What am I fearful of? What do I care about? Am I sad? As I say, underneath angry is sometimes a lot of sadness. So once you can grab onto that, then you use the skills to get through your hurt, want, fear, care, sadness. All right, management's my squishy ball. Intervention, identifying with the real feeling and getting some skills around it.